Hello from Slovenia again, or if you are first time here, welcome to Fiona's Art Lab. I'm a fluid artist from Slovenia, for those who don't know me, and I like to play with fluid acrylics. And lately I'm playing with this Vallejo satin polymer varnish mixed in my base coat just to create some interesting effects. And today I have black paint mixed with school glue pouring medium, that it's 60% school glue, 40% water mixed together. I mix them 2 to 1 with this pouring medium colors, 2 to 1 with this pouring medium. And for this 7-ounce cup I added around half an ounce of this satin polymer varnish. And today I will use some fluorescent paints. I have fluorescent blue by Vallejo, and this one is maybe a little thick because I want my paints kind of thin, not like for Dutch pour, but this is fluorescent blue. Kind of leaves a little mound and disappears immediately. Almost 1 second or 2, maybe a little more water. Sorry guys, sometimes different brands of paint, even different shades of the same brand. You can just say you need ratio 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium, because you always have to adjust with water to the desired consistency. So I have this one, I have Holbein Luminous Rose. I have Reflex Yellow by Amsterdam and Reflex Green by Amsterdam, and I have some white. Okay, so what I will do is I will pour some black paint first. And I want kind of a thick layer of it. Okay, should be enough. Maybe my paint is not thin enough, but that's why I like to experiment, because sometimes you just get some interesting results that you don't expect. Okay, I torched for the air bubbles a little bit, and now I will add some paint, and I don't want the whole lot of colors. I want to have kind of a lightening effect, if I can get that. I don't know, because I am expecting some cells. Just hope that this yellow and green will not be too weird here. I don't know. And I will pour some white on top. Okay, and now I will just blow this. Now I will try to tilt this, and I don't know if I have enough paint color for my taste, but I want to have this kind of a lightening effect. That I have, but I think that I would love to have a little more color. So I will just pour a little more of this black here. So here it is. I thought that I will have more of this kind of lightening effect, but I love it. I love all those lines on top and all this multicolored lightening going on. I kind of wish that I would go in a little different direction, but to have maybe just this lightening in the middle, you know, not kind of stripes, but I like it anyway. So this was an experiment again with some amazing results for my taste, at least. And the colors look nice together. I love them. So I'm happy. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.